Hello everyone, this is Srishant Reddy and welcome to Srishant Tech Hub. In this video, I'll show you a mini project which I have developed using HTML and CSS. This is the Amazon clone website I developed using HTML and CSS. If you observe, it looks very similar to the original Amazon website. So as you can see, this is the original Amazon website and this is the website which I have developed. You can see both looks very similar. As you can see, as I hover on the things, they are getting highlighted. This top section is the header section and there are some navigation links over here. And as you scroll down, here are some products which are arranged in a structured way. And at the bottom, it is the photo section and there are some links over. I have not developed the whole Amazon website because Amazon having thousands of pages. So I just developed a single homepage, that too using HTML and CSS. And this website is not functional. If you click on these links also, nothing happens because I just used only HTML and CSS. To make it more functional, I have to use JavaScript and some backend part, but up to now I just used these two. So this is the HTML code, you can look over here, and this is the CSS code. So this much of code it took to develop this. And at last, I wanna tell you something.
I have one suggestion for you.
If you are a beginner who are just starting with HTML and CSS, this is the perfect project for you to improve your skills. So just click on the link given in the description. You will be redirected to this page. So by seeing this page, try to develop a similar page by your own so that you can improve your web development skills. So if you want to improve your web development skills and if you want to make a similar page like this, just comment down, I will improve. And I'll read all the comments. And I'll be sharing more such content on my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well. To get notified about the videos, hit the bell icon. So that's all for the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.